Hello everyone, today our subject is GK General Knowledge. First standard from GK plus Presidents of India. Do you know what is the role of president of in any country? Let me brief you. Accordingly, the president is responsible for implementing and enforcing the laws written by. In short, they have military powers. The president can declare war or conclude peace. On the advice of the Union Council of Ministers, headed by the Prime Minister, all important strategies and contracts are made in the president's name. Page number 3. They have given us some instruction. Given below is a list of 14 presidents of India since the beginning of the Constitution in 1950. Mark the time period of their presidentship. They have given many periods in our book, and that we have to mention below each president picture or each name. First is Rajendra Prasad. Let me give you few things about the information of our president, first president. So what our book is saying, Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. He is also the only president who served the office twice, eventually becoming the longest service president. His time period is 1950 to 1962. Second president, Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. His time period was 1962 to 1967. Third, Zakir Hussain. His time period was 1967 to 1969. Fourth president, V.V. Giri. His time period was 1969 to 1974. Fifth president was Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. His time period was 1974 to 1977. Sixth, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. His time period was 1977 to 1982. 7. Gyani Zail Singh. His time period was 1982 to 1987. Eighth president was R. Venkataraman. His time period was 1987 to 1992. Ninth, Shankar Dayal Sharma, 1992 to 1997. 10th, K. R. Narayan, 1997 to 2002. 11th, APJ Abdul Kalam. His time period was 2002 to 2007. Here, one more information for him. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was properly known as People's President. In 1997, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna. 12th, Pratibha Patil, 2007 to 2012. Here, one more information for her. Pratibha Patil was the first woman president of India. 13th, Pranab Mukherjee. His time period was 2012 to 2017. And the last, 14th one is Ram Nath Kovind. His time period is 2017 till date. Congratulations, our first chapter has completed successfully. I hope you all understand this one. And I wish that this information boosts your general knowledge.